Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be doing an Ikea shop with me. I am on the hunt for some storage options. My room is really so cluttered and I've been getting a lot of beauty product in, which is honestly not a bad problem to have. I'm super grateful to even have that problem, but I definitely need to get it all organized. So I think I'm just gonna get a standard shelving unit and some boxes or something, like storage organizers to put everything in. So that's what I'm on the hunt for today. We just got to Ikea, so let's head on in. Also, before we head in, if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys hit the button down below. It would mean the world to me, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Let's get shopping. So I already know what I want.
Okay.
I know that I want that shelving unit. I forgot what it's called, but when I see it, I'll know. And then I have this DIY idea of taking a rattan basket and a light bulb thingy and making it as a light pendant. So let's go find what we need for that. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get this. I think this would be so cute to style on the shelf. So grabbing one of these, and I don't know, I wonder if I already have one of these. I'm gonna pass on that. This is so cute. Do you like this? Mm-hmm. Isn't that awesome?
I can see it.
It's like concrete.
Yep.
ASMR. I love this vase. Oh, it's only 13 bucks. I just don't know if I could take this one. It's a display, so I can't. Oh, what about this one? This one's nice, because I'm not sure of the other one with the glass. I don't know if I like that, but just to give an idea. I don't know. I like this one because it's just like a simple white, and it's bigger than the other one, so I can fit more stuff on it.
Which one was the other option?
Okay, so the other option is this one, which is more affordable. This looks good too. I don't know. I mean, I am kind of on a budget. I would rather spend that rest of the money on decor versus the actual shelving unit, but I don't know if I like the glass. So the only thing about this one is it is a little over my budget, and I would much rather spend that money on decor elements and pieces than the actual shelf itself. So I think I'm gonna go with the one that's 80 bucks. I just feel it makes more sense. So, all right, so I'm gonna go with that shelf. I've made my decision.
Which one?
So I don't know.
The glass one?
The glass one, yeah. The one that has just the 2 shelving units and it's glass. So let's go find some decor pieces to decorate it. Okay, so I have an idea. With this basket, I'm thinking about making a light pendant, so something to hang over. I'll probably take these handles off and then cut a hole in the center and then put one of those light bulbs that plug in. So I don't know how that's gonna go. I'll probably show you guys the DIY if I end up doing it. But this could also just be kind of storage. I can put blankets or something in here. But yeah, I really love the wicker. I think that's really pretty. Alright, so I got my light bulb here. This was only 7 bucks, and then a light bulb, which was I think 79 cents. Now the only thing that I need left is a little wall hook. I don't think Ikea has that, so it's gonna be something I probably have to pick up at the dollar store. Okay, so Angel found this awesome piece of a wood tabletop for his workspace, and I think it's too big for the car. So yeah, if it doesn't fit, I get dinner. If it fits, I buy dinner for us. You shaking on it? All right. I want tacos for dinner.
All right.
I'm declaring it because it's not gonna fit. So this is what we're working with. This is the board. This is my shelf, which I'm actually really nervous.
I'm Mexican. We're gonna make this work.
Okay, órale. Even my shelf, I was just like worried that it wouldn't fit, but we shall see. Wow, you are so smart. I guess I do owe you dinner. He just took the headpiece off. That's really smart, actually. I'm salty. Oh, here's the moment of truth. Oh, yes, and it fits.
And I want cheesecake.
Oh, hell no. High five, okay? High five, ready?
Ready?
But not like
But
crazy.
we gotta jump.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait, one more time. Yeah! What did we get for dinner?
Qdoba.
Okay.
Exactly.
Uh-huh. I'll get you next time, don't worry. Alright, so it is the next day and I already built a shelf, as you can see, and I put some of the vases that I purchased on it as well, just to kind of see how it's gonna look. But yeah, I really love the shelf. I'm glad I went with this glass one because it just looks so clean and like minimal, perfect for styling. And I was really just looking for something to help with storage solutions, and I've been getting a lot of like beauty product in and PR packages, so I wanted to find a place that I can store product and test it out, and just it's easy to grab, and obviously have kind of like a really cute display. So yeah, I really like this. It was only 80 bucks, I think, so it was super affordable. And then the next thing I got was this vase, and this is just a really pretty like dusty pink ceramic, and it has kind of like a speckled finish, and I don't know, I just really love like how big and weighted it is. I think this would add a perfect balance to everything else that I'm going to style on the shelf. And then I got this smaller one just because I wanted to find something that was small enough that I can put on like a stack of books. I'll show you guys exactly how I style it in another video, but yeah, I thought this would be just a perfect balance between the two. And this was like $4, I think, so it was super affordable. And the last thing that I got was this basket, and this is actually going to be a DIY. I already like built a little bit of it, so I'll show you guys in another video as well, but this is just a wicker basket. You could also use this to throw in extra blankets or something, but I am actually going to be making a light pendant, and I want to hang it kind of in the corner here. But all that I needed for this was just the light bulb, the one that you plug in. I think this was $7 from Ikea, and then a light bulb. So as you can see in here, Angel actually helped me install it and drill like a hole in here. And yeah, I'll show you guys more of exactly what I'm doing to make this in my room makeover, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I thought this would be a fun little DIY that just adds a little bit of texture and some wood elements to my room, so very excited to see how that comes out. I also forgot to mention the light bulb also came with these hooks. So this is what you'll put in the ceiling to hook it and to hang it. So very excited that this came with it because I thought I had to purchase it from the dollar store, but actually came with it. So very happy about that. Alright, well that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on a thing, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.